Hi, this is level 07 of Nebula. The scenario given to us is the Flag 07 user was writing their very first Perl program. The program is given as a source code, and that allowed them to ping host to see if they were reachable from the web server. So from the web server, they are pinging to the host. That's the Perl program is written for. So the files needed for this can be found in the Flag 07 directory. What you can do is you can use the cd command to move into that directory. You can use the +-asl command and to view all the files, and you can find that there is two files, index.cgi, thttpd.conf. So what you can do is you try to execute .index.cgi, and from the source code even you can pass another parameter from the command line. So I'm going to pass another parameter and give a loopback address. So the things works correctly. I can also execute some commands as a second parameter. So this works perfectly. So what next? I trying to execute get flag. Oops, it's executing on a non-flag account. This doesn't count. So what I did was I viewed the th file. I'm using the list command so that I can scroll up and down, and you can see it specifies an alternate port number to listen on, port 7007. So here X is a web server connected to port 7007. So we need to exploit by connecting to the web server. To connect to the web server, what you can simply do is you can use the command wget command. So first I need to know the IP address of this host machine. So to do that, I'm using ifconfig. So you can see the IP address of this host machine is 192.168.37.138. So what I'm going to do now is connect to the web server through 7007 using the wget command. So you can use wget http / and type the IP address of the host machine 57.138 and the port number where the web server is connected. You can run the index.cgi and I'm going to use this %3b, which is a URL encoded version of exclamation mark. So instead of exclamation mark, I'm using %3b, which is the URL encoded version, and get. Oops, I'm getting an error. 92, 168, okay, the error that I made here is I have to be in the level 07 account to do this. I cannot be inside home flag 07 direct. So I have moved into level 07 account using cd command. Now I'm going to execute the same command. Now it has been successful. So what you can do is just type ls command. You can file the created index.cgi. So what you're going to do is now you are going to view the things that are inside index.cgi. So you have successfully executed get flag on a target account. That means you have successfully completed this level.